I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Elantra headlight bulb. First, make sure your car is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch. Gather your new headlight bulb and any tools you might need, such as a flathead screwdriver or a small wrench. Always wear gloves when handling the new bulb to prevent oils from your skin from damaging it. Next, open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a plastic engine cover or air intake tube to get better access. Once you have a clear view, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling it straight off. Now it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your specific Elantra model, you'll typically twist the bulb's base counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it. Once unlocked, carefully pull the bulb straight out from the headlight housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding components or wires. Finally, take your new bulb, still wearing gloves, and insert it into the headlight housing, making sure the tabs align correctly. Twist the bulb clockwise to lock it securely into position. Reconnect the electrical connector, and then turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working properly before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.